Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to PI, aka Parent Involved. I'm your host, Jamie, and today I have Maya.
Hello.
Hello, Maya, the youngest of my three children. How are you today?
Good.
That's great. Are you ready to be on this podcast?
Yes. It's my
Oh,
first time.
yes, it is. And you sound so professional. Proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Aw. Alrighty, so today, guys, we're gonna go ahead and talk about a little bit about Maya getting ready to graduate pre-K. So we're gonna see how excited she is, the things that she does in pre-K,
Yay. Hooray.
the things that she likes to do outside of pre-K, and if you guys haven't already, you can follow me on Instagram, at parentinvolve_pod, or you can also follow me on YouTube and TikTok, where I'll be soon posting clips of live video, and so you guys can see the video side of the podcast as well. Alrighty, so Maya, how old are you?
4.
Yeah, you're 4 years old and you're almost done with pre-K. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited for graduation.
Yes, you're about to graduate. It's so exciting.
Yeah, for like 2 years.
You got about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yep, and I'm so excited to go to graduate. I'm so happy today.
Yeah, you've been doing very well this year. You've been listening to your teacher
Yes.
and you being good at school and sharing.
Yeah, and sharing is caring.
Yeah, sharing is caring. Do you have a lot of friends at school?
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit what you do in pre-K? What do you guys do at school?
We share things and we drink water when we're going inside, and we play outside, and we sleep inside.
You guys
And-
take naps?
Yes, and we also play. There's like a little circle thing, and you can like crawl in it.
Oh, on the playground? When
Yeah,
you guys
and-
go outside?
Yeah, and there's also a little roof and there's a little slides.
Oh, a little slide.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite thing to do in pre-K?
My favorite thing to share with my friends.
You like to share?
Yeah.
That's nice of
My
you.
favorite thing is to share like toys.
Okay.
And also like Legos and like also like we got this little thing where we could like play. There's like a little kit there for like toys.
Oh, yeah.
And they also got this like, little dresses thing. And we all got this little dresses and we can wear them. We got this whole little necklace if we want to stay there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and we also take turns. And it's super fun.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that you're almost about to graduate, do you feel like a big kid? Are you ready for the big school?
Yeah, I almost feel like graduating.
You do?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, you're almost there, and it's going to be so nice, right?
Yay.
All right, so once you graduate, what do you want to do for the summer during summer break? What do you like to do?
Summer I like to do is just have fun.
Yeah?
Yep, and I like holding them just like these little things.
What things?
Like it's like the little picture things. I don't know what they are, and you like say something like random.
Yeah.
They're like little papers.
On paper?
Yeah, and you like write on it. And I think it said like graduation.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think it said graduation, everybody.
It says congratulations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to everybody.
Okay.
And then I think my sister was also holding one up too, and that's very nice of my sister. I love her.
Oh, you love your big sister?
Yeah, she's nice and cute
And
and
she's
beautiful.
Aw, that's so sweet of you. So you love your siblings.
Yeah, I love my brother and I love my sister and my mom and family.
Aw, you're a nice little girl. So, for summer, Maya, are you gonna go swimming, go to the park?
I want to go swimming, and I want to go to and I want to buy some more ice cream because we ran out of those like those little other ones where you can like have like strawberries and coconut.
Oh yeah, you love those kind. I can't
Yeah.
remember what it's called, but yeah, they're like the Mexican popsicles where they have coconut, strawberry, and mango.
Yeah, mango. I like mango.
But I think your favorite is that strawberry, huh?
Yeah, I like strawberries. I like eating them.
Yeah.
Yes. Sometimes I eat them all up.
Yep. Because you like to eat healthy. You like fruit.
Yeah, I like grapes and strawberries.
Yep, you sure do.
Yeah, but I do like broccoli.
You do?
Yeah,
That's good
broccoli.
too. You said you only liked it when you was a baby. You still eat it?
Yeah, I still eat that. It's good.
Yeah, because you got to be strong,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, but my mouth's a little bit good. It's a little bit.
A little bit good.
Yeah. It's
But it's
kinda
healthy.
not that bad. It's not that bad.
Yeah, but it's healthy though.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is my favorite food is Happy Meals.
Happy Meals from McDonald's.
Yeah. And I like soup.
You like soup?
Yeah, I remember the other day I think my sister was giving me soup because I was sick, I think.
Oh, maybe some chicken noodle soup.
Yeah.
She made some for you?
Yeah, she's nice.
Yeah.
And she's my big sister. And she's big like me.
Yeah, she pick you up from school sometimes, huh?
Yeah, and I remember when we were both sleeping together. It was like a picture of it.
Oh, yeah, when you guys were small. Well, she was younger and you were like a baby, right?
Yeah, and you took a picture of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was nice of you.
Yeah, I have to get memories so I can look at them when you guys get big. I can remember how small you guys were.
Thank you.
And you too. And when you get older, you're going to be like, oh, that's when I was a baby, right?
Yeah, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Yes.
All right, Maya. So I really appreciate you joining the podcast with me today.
Thank you.
You were excited to come on?
Yes.
All righty. So do you want to say anything else to everyone or?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I want to say is I remember when we went on the future that was so much fun.
Mm-hmm.
And we all have the fun, and we all were like doing stuff, and we had to listen to the teachers. We all have like this big school where there's like a lot of chairs and a lot of tables
Yeah.
and a lot of food.
Mm-hmm.
And we all took it in the other school, and it took for a long time to get there.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, I was sleeping in there.
Oh, yeah, when
and-
y'all went on the field trip on the bus,
Yeah,
right?
and we all had to hold hands.
Yeah, gotta stay together.
I know, and somebody was trying to wake me up when I was sleeping on the bus.
They had to wake you up.
Yeah, but I did wake up because I was tired. Yeah, I didn't get to have some sleep. I didn't get to, so I wanted to sleep 'cause I was tired.
Yeah.
And I woke up.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to do for fun is to give my families hugs.
But I thought your favorite thing was the iPad, no?
Yeah, I do like the iPad and I like hugging my family.
Okay. What games do you play on your iPad, Maya?
I play games on Roblox.
You like Roblox? That's your favorite, huh?
Yeah. And
You
I-
just started playing that too. I think Jaden showed you how to play. And then, because you used to play like all the other games on the iPad. And then one day we downloaded Roblox and you play it every day, don't you?
I remember that, and I remember when Jay was teaching me it, and then I finally get to know how to play games.
Yeah. He
Yep,
taught you how to
and-
play?
Yep, and now I'm all grown up now, and now I know how to play Roblox.
Yeah, you're pretty good at it.
Yeah, and now Jay doesn't have to tell me no more how to do it.
Sometimes he had to help you, right? If you get stuck on something, sometimes he come help you.
Yeah, sometimes I help him when he keeps losing.
You help him? You're that good, huh? Well, that's good. You're very smart. You have to be very smart to do that game because sometimes I'm not very good at it.
Yeah, that's okay, because I can help you too.
Yeah, you do. When I try to play with you, you definitely help me out a lot, huh? And you
Yeah.
show me how to do it.
I remember when you quit that Roblox game because you quit, and I was so mad.
Oh, yeah, you get upset when I stop playing, right?
Yeah, I get upset.
But you got to take breaks, okay? So you can't play games all day. You have to play around, exercise, and you have to read a book. You got to start learning to read this summer.
Okay, but first you gotta teach me how to read.
Yep. So we're going to learn your sight word. You know what sight words are?
I want to learn my ABCs and my numbers.
You're pretty good at ABCs.
Yeah, I want to learn it right now.
Go ahead, say your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Good job, Maya.
Thank you.
You're so smart. What do you want to do? Count to 20? You want to show them you can count to 20?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yay!
But Mom, sometimes it's hard to count to 20. I can't do that. It's hard.
You just did it though.
Yeah, I know. It's hard to count to 100.
Yeah, that's a little bit harder, but practicing, that's how you're gonna get good at it, okay?
Yeah, it's kind of hard. And sometimes the teacher sometimes the teachers kind of show us how to do numbers count to 100.
Oh, y'all already practiced to go to 100?
Yeah, but sometimes it's hard to do it. Sometimes I forget to do it.
It's okay. You're going to get the hang of it. Just keep practicing.
Yep, I gotta keep practicing on every day.
Yep, that's right. Well, thank you so much for that. You're still in pre-K. You're not even in kindergarten yet. You know your ABCs and you know how to count to 20. That's really good. You're a little tired now?
Yeah, I'm kind of getting tired.
All right. Well, let's go ahead. We'll wrap it up and just say, what do you want to tell everyone? Thank you for listening.
I want to tell everybody if they hug their kids and they also buy things like broccoli and soup for their kids.
Oh, wow. That's some good advice. So make sure all of the parents out there hug your kids and make sure to buy broccoli and soup, all of the healthy foods for your kids so they can grow big and strong.
And you can also buy broccoli and orange and also orange with these little drink things in it.
That's right.
Yeah, and they're almost like bananas.
Yeah. Fruit.
Yeah, and sometimes I like eating bananas.
Yeah, you like your fruits.
I remember that one day I ate 2 bananas.
Yeah, you did eat 2 of them.
Yeah, and they also wasted off them. I wasted them.
Some of them wasted.
Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you guys again for listening to my podcast. Again, this is Parent Involved. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
8.
You want to count to 8?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Count to 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Congratulations.
Thank you, everybody.
So thank you, everyone, for listening in. If you have any comments or any suggestions on questions or anything, please go ahead and send me a DM, direct message through Instagram at parentinvolve_pod. All right. Thanks again, guys, for listening. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.